guys, so today me and Brody and Bradley are going to be showing you how to make Daiso clay. Now if you purchase this from China, you will know that it is quite expensive and takes a while to arrive. However, we are going to show you the easy and simple way to make it. Now this is what it looks like in the box when you get it from China. We've ordered this from Hong Kong and it's about £5 a packet with postage. But this is perfect for making butter slime. And it's very light and fluffy. Now, all we need is some sort of shower gel, Johnson's baby powder, or any baby powder will work, and corn flour or cornstarch. Now you can buy these from most supermarkets. And the last but not least is conditioner. Now we've done about 5 pumps of conditioner, so let's get started. So we have the conditioner, and first of all we're going to add some of our Johnson's baby powder. So Brody, you add that in. Now Brody, if you can just add a little bit more. We want to get this to a nice pasty feeling. So we don't do any measurements on this, you will just have to go off texture. One more, Brody. Thank you. And I'd say that's pretty much done. What do you think, Brody? Does that look like a paste?
Yeah.
Now we are going to add a nice squeeze of our shower gel. So if you'd like to add this, there we go. And this just binds it all together. What we need to do is make it nice and texturous so it's breaking apart with lots of floury feeling. So to do this, we're going to continue adding some more baby powder. If you add cornstarch now, as it's starting to thicken up, then it will make the process a lot faster. Also, if you did want to colour your clay, you would add the food colouring in or paint at the beginning. So we're going to add a nice chunk of the corn flour. Thank you, Brody. And you can see it's starting to separate and get that strange texture about it. Now the corn flour does help this process a lot faster. Right, Brody, add some more. Right, that should be enough. Now we can see that it's getting this like icing sugar effect, where it's all starting to form cloud-like shapes, and this is what you are looking for. Now once it starts to get like this, you should be able to work it in with your hands. Now it's got like a chalky floury feel to it, so if we just get it out of the bowl, then we can really start to work it. We are kneading it, and it is the exact same texture as the Daiso clay.
Looks nice, that.
It does look nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And this is perfect for making which slime, bro? Did you know?
Butter slime.
Butter slime. So this is a piece of slime we've made earlier, and we've just chucked half of our Daiso clay that we made earlier into the middle of our slime, and we're going to keep folding it over now, and this will make butter slime.
Butter slime?
Yeah, butter slime. And we need to mix this right in. As you can see, there's still lots and lots of white bits in there, but we just mix it all in. So all of the texture has now been dissolved into our butter slime. It's very, very stretchy. guys, that's how to make butter slime. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Don't forget to
subscribe
and also give us a comment on how you make your Daiso clay to create this beautiful butter slime. Bye guys.
Bye. That was really good, wasn't it?